Have you ever noticed that making an extra $1,000 feels good, but losing just $100 feels absolutely devastating? It's a strange feeling, right? Why is it that saving a small amount of money can feel like a monumental task, while the idea of earning a much larger sum seems more exciting and achievable? This isn't just you being weird about money. It's a powerful psychological principle at play. This phenomenon is called loss aversion. It is a concept from behavioral economics that explains our tendency to prefer avoiding losses over acquiring equivalent gains. In simple terms, the pain of losing something is psychologically about twice as powerful as the pleasure of gaining the same thing. So, losing a $100 bill on the street feels way worse than the joy you get from finding one. This makes perfect sense from an evolutionary standpoint. For our ancestors, losing their food supply was a life-threatening disaster, while finding a little extra was just a nice bonus. Our brains are hardwired to protect what we already have. So, how does this affect your bank account? When you think about saving $100, your brain frames it as a loss. You're losing immediate spending power. You can't buy that new pair of shoes or go out for that fancy dinner. That feels painful. On the other hand, earning an extra $1,000 is framed as a pure gain. It's future potential, a bonus on top of what you already have, and it doesn't require an immediate sacrifice. The thrill of the gain overshadows the effort required to get it. This is why so many of us struggle to build savings. Even when we're earning a decent income, we're fighting against our own psychology. The key is to reframe how we think about saving. Instead of seeing it as a loss, try to see it as a gain for your future self. You're not losing $100 today. You're gaining financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to pursue your goals tomorrow. You can trick your brain by automating your savings. Set up an automatic transfer right after you get paid. That way, the money is gone before you even have a chance to feel the loss. It becomes part of your financial background noise, not a painful decision you have to make every month. Understanding loss aversion is the first step to mastering your money. It's not about willpower. It's about working with your brain, not against it. If this idea resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the psychology of money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.